All right, so I need to get this out of here because we've got to put, we got to put our conduit through there. So that's going to come out. You don't need that. And then the wires go right through here. And hopefully we should have this thing ready to go here in a couple minutes. So cross your fingers it all works. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Yeah. All right, so this is ready. Gotta grab it. Oh, it's heavy. All right, so here we are. And now we got to put those two together. And I wanted to get to meet perfectly. I don't want it, yeah. So I've got to kind of push it in until it really comes in nice and easy. And if you look down in here, you see I've got to get this right in that little hole there. Slowly but surely smush it in. Oh, there we go. This has got to come up a little bit. I gotta get it in there. Okay, we did it. I had to lift this whole side up to get her on there. Here's our collar. So I gotta loosen this. So I'm going lefty-loosey. Pops it, and now we can go ahead and slip this through. Maybe I gotta go this side. All right, so we get this side too. Come on. Oh, there we go. Come on. All right, there we go. All right, so you notice how the collar goes over both sides of this. So when I tighten it down, what's going to happen is it's going to lock it in. You see? So I'm going to roll it, I think, on this side. Like this. Push that through there. Now I want to go down farther. Yeah, farther. So I can get there. There we go. All right, so this is going to come through here. Okay, like that. All right, so now I'm there. So now I got to get this on there. Like that. And once I get it started, I'm good. And I can just tighten her down. And we're going to get it nice and tight. And just make sure that you are around both sides of this housing because you don't want the water squirting everywhere. So here we go. And we're just going to tighten her down good. And this is going to give us a nice tight seal. I think I'll just get it to where it's pretty hand tightened. I think we're pretty close there. And that should do it. I'm thinking that should do it. Yeah. Next step is we've got to put our electrical on. Yeah.